Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So here on the Ethereum chart we are still in a range. I only wanted to take a look at the shorter time frame here. Bigger picture, nothing changed. I covered that in the last few days. Overall, the chart could still be in a bullish scenario. I'm tracking here on the 30-minute chart two bullish scenarios. One is more directly aggressively bullish. That's the orange scenario in this case. In the orange count, we're tracking a substantial low here on the 9th of February, and we're just tracking a possible 5-wave move up from there. So that would indicate that wave 2 already bottomed there. So I can actually mark that on the chart. And that would be a potential low in wave 2, and we're now moving higher in 5 waves. But as per previous updates, this move up is not impulsive. So we are very likely dealing with some kind of a diagonal structure, which is okay. We talked about that in the previous videos. In this case, the price would now likely be moving in the third wave of this 5-wave pattern. Ultimately, what I need for really a more solid confirmation that this wave 2 has bottomed, I need to see a 5-wave move up, which needs to break above $2,927. So the swing high, which formed on the 3rd of February. Initially, we have an initial rally into the swing high from the 3rd of February, which is not clearly bullish because it's only a 3-wave move, but I give the bulls the benefit of the doubt because we could just be dealing with some kind of a diagonal. Then this here would be a wave 2 pullback, and we're just tracking now the next 5-wave move up. But please be aware, because the initial rally is a 3-wave move, we don't necessarily need 5 waves. What does that mean? It means that also if the chart is just forming a 3-wave structure, it could still continue to climb. But if we see 5 waves, it is more clearly bullish. So from an analysis point of view, I'm going to watch for 5 waves, while being aware that a 3-wave move up could already take the price higher. It essentially just depends on, can we break above the green line? For more directly bullish confirmation, to give us more clarity, a 5-wave move is preferred, but not needed, right? So from a trader point of view, the support parameters are important in the breakout parameters. From an analysis point of view, I of course prefer a 5-wave move up because it would provide clarity, but is not needed for upside continuation. So that means it could just continue to chop higher in 3-wave structures. And I will continue to tell you we can't really confirm a low. We can track the upside structure, but it will take a while until we can confirm it, which is what it is. But it doesn't really matter because as a trader, you don't normally wait for confirmation. Ideally not, because if you wait for confirmation, it's too late, right? That's the thing. That's the difference between analyzing and trading. As a trader, you're looking for entries where reward is high and risk is low. For example, when the price reaches a Fibonacci support area, it can be it can be a place where the price has a chance to turn around. So anyway, this is now a roadmap here in orange, valid as long as we're holding above the red line. I mean, the microstructures might change, but technically that a wave 2 has bottomed here is technically valid as long as we're holding above the red line at 2,525. However, from a bullish point of view, microstructure point of view, ideally, the price would hold above this dotted line, which is the last swing low and the possible B-wave low in orange, located here at 2,640. As long as this is holding, the orange microstructure is valid. Now, as the price is going higher today, seems like that, altcoins not too bad. We need to focus on these previous swing highs. This is first resistance. Obviously, I'm talking really just about microstructures here. So this is 2,800. Yeah, and getting above this will shift the focus to 2,850 and 2,930. Getting above it could indicate we are in the late stages of a third wave. Then another 4 and 5 would give us further confirmation. So I think these are the parameters we need to watch for today. Not sure how much action we're going to see, but overall, I think altcoin, let's say the altcoin situation might get a little bit better from here, given that the DXY is starting to drop. global liquidity seems to be going up, and we start to see some upside today in the altcoins, whereas Bitcoin isn't doing much. So those might be early signals that something positive is around the corner for Ethereum and some other altcoins. Yeah, that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional analysis, check out our MCO Global channel. Here you'll find all sorts of additional content, tutorials, deeper insights, really deep dive into on-chain data, really deeper analysis as well, which is something that differs obviously from the Morecryptoonline channel, which is more geared towards short-term and rapid market updates to keep you informed whenever something happens, whereas MCO Global is really more like the next step. And yeah, just check it out. Yesterday I uploaded a video about some success principles. So this is also a space where I experiment with different content. Some viewers have said this is the most valuable video I've ever uploaded. So it might be helpful for you as well. Check it out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.